Welcome students. Our today's topic is convergent sequence in topological space. Before starting this video lecture, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel first. A sequence whose terms are A1, A2, A3 up to so on of points in a topological space X converges to a point B belongs to X, or B is limit of the sequence an. Mathematically, limit n approaches to an infinity, an is equal to b if and only if for each open set G containing the point B there exists a positive integer and not belongs to n, such that an belongs to G for all n greater than n naught, which means that G contains almost all except finite terms of the sequence. Now this definition states that if we have a sequence an and a topological space X star, a point B belongs to X is the limit for this sequence an if every open set G containing this point B contains infinitely many points of this sequence. That is, if we have an open set G containing this point B, this open set, every open set G containing the point B contains infinite points of the sequence an, this sequence an. If every open set contains infinitely many terms of this sequence an, then we say that this point B is the limit of the sequence an, and mathematically we write it as limit n approaches to an infinity an equal to b. Now we discuss an example to understand this concept. Let an be a sequence of points in n discrete topological space. We know that n discrete topological space or a trivial topological space consists of only two open sets, which is the set phi and the ground set x. Let an be a sequence of points in n discrete topological space X star. Note that X is the only open set containing any point B belongs to X. If we have any point B belongs to X, ground set X, here in this topological space, X is the only non-empty open set containing any point B belongs to X. Now this open set X contains all the terms of the sequence an. The reason is this set X is the ground set X, ground set for the topology, and every element, every term of this sequence an is present in this set. So for any point B belongs to X, X contains every point B belongs to X. This set X contains every term of the sequence an. Hence, an converges to every point B belongs to X. So this sequence an of terms and of terms a1, a2, a3 up to so on of this set X converges to every point of this set X. So every point B belongs to X is the limit for this sequence AN. The reason is this topological space is the trivial topological space, and in trivial or n-discrete topological space, X is the only open set, and this open set contains all the terms of this sequence AN. So I hope you like this video lecture. If you like this video lecture, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.